This tutorial will cover how to create and deliver an electronic test to students using LanSchool. These tests can be timed and self-grading, allowing students to see their results immediately after finishing the test. Testing is comprised of two steps. First, creating the test, and then delivering that test to the students. To create a test, click the drop-down arrow to the right of the testing button in the teacher console, and then select the Create Test option. This will open the LanSchool Test Builder. The Test Builder can be used anytime, even when the teacher computer is not connected to the network. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll create a short math quiz. To create a new test, click the New Test button to begin writing the first question. Each question can be either true-false, multiple choice, short answer, or essay. Type the question as you would like students to see it. Then select the type of question this is. This example will be a multiple choice question. Next, configure up to 5 options that the students can choose from. If you leave any of the options blank, that option will not be available to the students. Finally, place a check mark next to the correct answer, and click Save to add this question to the test. You can add up to 100 questions to a single test. To add another question, click the Add Question button. This time, we'll add an image to accompany our question. Click Browse to search the teacher's computer for an image file. Select it, and click Open. Then, write the question, configure the choices, and select the correct answer. Then click Save. Now, let's add one more question to this test. This question will be a short answer question. The student will be able to type the answer into a text field. To make these questions self-graded, type all possible correct answers into the Correct Answers field and separate them with a semicolon. Selecting Essay will give the student a larger text box to type a longer, more free-form response. While the answers will still be collected and sent to the teacher, essay responses cannot be self-graded. Click Save to save this question. From the LanSchool Test Builder, you can reorder questions by simply dragging one question on top of another. Click Yes when prompted to confirm the move, and the questions will swap locations. Once you've finished adding questions to the test, click the Save Test button. Select a location on your computer to save the test to, give it a name, and click the Save button. Then, close the LanSchool Test Builder. To deliver a test to students, click the drop-down arrow to the right of the testing button and select Ask Students to Take Test. You can adjust which students will receive the test by adding or removing them from the included list. Even after you start the test, you can deliver it to excluded students by selecting their name and clicking the Add button. To choose the test that will be delivered to the students, click the Load button and browse to the location of the test we created earlier. Select it and click Open. Before starting the test, click the Options button to configure some additional parameters for how the test will be administered. From here, you can have the test prompt the user for their name, display the results to the students immediately after completing the test, set a time limit, randomize the order of the test questions for each student, and even force the test to be launched in full screen. When you're ready to have the students begin taking the test, click the Start button. From this window, the teacher can monitor in real time which question each student is on and whether or not they've answered it correctly. Click the Show Question Results checkbox to display the percentage of correct answers for each question. In this example, 50% of students answered question 3 incorrectly. Once all students have finished taking the test, or the teacher clicks the Stop button to end the test early, you can click the Export button to save the test results in a CSV file. Click Yes to view the folder where the CSV files were exported to. One file contains the questions, one contains the answers, and the summary file contains the actual test results. These CSV files are a standard format ready to be imported into a wide variety of gradebook applications and learning management systems. This concludes the tutorial on creating and delivering tests using LanSchool. For more tutorials like this and other methods of support, please visit our website at www.lanschool.com.